Hello followers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of metal and wooden design idea you can use for your home, office or patio decor. So watch the video until the end to see this beautiful idea and get inspiration. Scrap wood and scrap metal can be a great mix for a useful home idea. When people throw away small wood pieces at the end of a project, those in the scrap may be short, thin, or odd in shape, but they can still help you make strong thing when you plan well. Metal scrap can also be saved. This can be small bits of wire, bolts, nails, sheets of metal of cuts, old hinges, or thin strips from old tools. One simple idea is to make a workbench rack. Use flatwood scraps at the base and back, then add metal pieces as hooks. Bent wire can become hooks for hand tools. Small nails can work as base. If you have a metal tree, you can make a line of strong hooks. Another idea is to make a garden plant stand. Wood scrap come from the side and steps. Metal scrap can act as support. A strip of metal can be used as a base plate so the stand stays steady. Nails and screws can lock the wood pieces in a good shape. If you keep the metal off the soil, the stand will last longer. Safety matters. Wear gloves when you cut or bend metal, with a protection when you drill or hammer. Check for sharp edges on metal scraps. Sand the wood edged so they feel smooth. Keep the metal dry or use a simple coat so it will not rust fast. This kind of project is fun and save the money. It is also helps you cut waste. With scrap wooden and scrap metal, you can build something strong, useful, and easy. Start with small pieces and make one simple items first. Then you can grow your idea over time. We hope you are enjoyed our today content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload a new video. It takes a lot of time and effort to make this video. Your subscription, like, and share are what inspire us to create more content. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forwarding to see you in next video. Until the end, stay safe and stay blessed.